We look like criminals. Okay. Talofa. Oh, don't ever turn that off. Yeah, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we're having this mukbang, right? And I've got my husband to come and do it with me. So he's here beside me.
Hello.
A nice hello would have been said in a stiff way. But anyway, he's here, so thank you, Daddy, to come and join me.
You're welcome.
Yeah, okay, so guess what I have today, guys? I have seafood boil. Yeah, I have seafood boil from Sea Fusion Creation. Look them up on Facebook, and you can order you some seafood as well, seafood boil. Yeah, so this lady, she makes this, and it comes with cucumber, and I've got the famous Blove sauce. How awesome is that? I've never tried the Blove sauce, so this will be a first time for me. Oh, sorry. I haven't even taken off. I think use that to put your bones on it too, the foil. Yeah. So I done. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys. But first of all, let me open this up. This is like a present to myself. I haven't seen it. I've seen some little. Wait, yeah, little light. Yeah. Okay. I'll do this. Don't you love opening up presents? Because this is a present for me. That's why I made him some pork. Yeah, because my husband loves pork. And not only that, whoa, look at that. Looks delicious. I'm going to come and get the camera and show you guys our food. It's exciting, I mean. Very exciting, Daddy. I'll have the cucumbers with you, wait, Laura. Yeah. Barely half, yeah, half. Gotta open up this Blove sauce that came with it. Okay. And I better put it down. That might, you know, bath us, shower us before we even get to eat it. Oh, this is awesome. Earlier on, my neighbours, they started playing their music really loudly, and I thought, oh no, I want to get copyrighted. But lucky they stopped. I would have sent Geneva over there. Oh, look, I can use this to put my bones on it. Oh, cute. Then I put my rubbish on it. Anyway, I bought that just in case you want to put your bones in it. Oh no, I can use it to put mine. They're not even organised, guys, but never mind, guys. Don't be like that. Okay? I think I've got to bring you guys a bit closer. That's my husband. And this is the seafood boil, guys. Wow, wow, wow. 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 A whole lot of wows. And the Blove sauce. Bam. Anyway, guys, so before we eat, we must do a prayer. And since we're eating together,
Our loving Father in the heavens, we thank you for all the blessings that you have given us. We thank you, Father, for this food that we just had. We pray to, Father, for those who are less fortunate than we are. We pray this to your Son, Jesus Christ.
Amen.
Amen.
Daddy. Ay, ay, ay. Time to eat, guys. Yeah, cheers. I felt like a drink too. Oh, what flavour is that, Danny?
Orange juice.
Oh, just plain orange, no mango. Yeah, that's right. Oh, just so much. I didn't bring me a fork. No. Okay, guys, it's all about eating with the hands. Okay? Some more food here. I make that. But anyway, I'll get this lemon. Squeeze it all over. Look at it. Oh, you know what? This was so worth the money, guys. So worth the money. Put the eggs as well. Okay. Guess what my tablecloth is? It's my old shower curtain. So I thought if it tips on the table, at least it's waterproof. And it already tipped. Oh, very nice. Hey, help yourself. This and that, it's just nice together. Oh, yeah. I should have got you a little bowl. Nice. Right. This is some really good food. Thank you to the lady that made it. Green lip mussel, guys. Bye. No, this is worth the money. You know, I don't mind paying for good food, eh? We will always pay good money for good food. See, this is a lobster tail. The Blove sauce is hot, but not too hot. So for those that don't really like chili, when I first started my mukbang, I didn't like any chili, but I've been training myself to like it, you see, because I thought, if there's a whole lot of people that like it, I must be missing out, you know. Far out, this food is so lovely. Thank you to my niece Kathy that told me to try it out. I'm so happy she did, because I didn't know anything about it. It's out here in Mount Druitt, guys, Mount Druitt. So for those who think that Mount Druitt can't do things, oh no way, we're good. We're like Otara. This is lobster tail. Hey, fair lobster tail. Yeah. A bit in the sauce. When I asked my husband to come and join me with my mukbang, he said yes, and then he said no, and he created a fight. Yeah, fight by myself. And then he had to change of heart. Yeah. Hey, darling. No, he said he doesn't want to talk. But I tell you what, my husband talks a lot. But camera shy. Hey, darling. Yeah, but never have fica more. Oh, this is just too good. Too good. You want some microwave? Oh. And the egg, why? There's a lot of nice food. Can I have one of your porks? That's what I may eat. Oh, and the prawn, darling. Oh god. This food is so worth it. Thank you. This is the pork, you know, the... I don't want to carrot. There be a carrot out. I'll put some this Blove sauce on the piece of pork. It's a pork rib, but you chop it up small. It's tender, right, darling? This is so good. I don't even want to wipe my mouth. See, this is God's blessing we're eating. God's blessing. So beautiful too. So beautiful. This seafood won't be the last time I'm going to buy it. It's so yummy. I ain't even kidding you guys. So get hold of She Fusion Creation and you can organize with them, you know, do your order. So hit them up on Facebook, guys. You know what? This is so worth it. I've said it about 10 times now. When I went to the door to get my order, my first time being there, the lady comes up to the door and she said, "Oh, you're Faye." I thought, "Oi." Yeah, I don't think she'll know me, but thank you, lady. Thank you so much. This is really delicious. You know, I watch Blove and all that, eat their food, and I crave for it, eh? But I can't really get it here. But this lady's making it possible for us, guys. She's making it possible, so hit her up. She put a lot of love in this one. A lot of love. Wow, wow, wow. This Blove sauce. I've never tasted it before, guys. Very nice. These some potatoes, darling. Anyway, guys, I've written down some like questions, you know, that we can ask ourselves. No, we can ask ourselves that you know we can like answer or whatever. So it's like you're sort of getting to know us a little. Well, you guys sort of know me because I can talk. I can talk your socks off. But it's funny because when I actually meet people, I'm not that talkative, but I just like filming, guys. I just love filming, so I'm not in front of the film, but I am in front of other people. Well, maybe one-on-one. It's not too bad. But this is too good, man. It's too good, even my beer stuffing. Not bad. So delicious. Anyway, I'm going to pull out one of the questions, right, while we're eating, then we can maybe answer it. Oh, well, I have to get this one first. Okay. It says, which one is funnier of you two? Daddy, you know my husband? He always says that people from Aitutaki is funny. You know, like they're the funny ones of Cook Island. Hey, Daddy, you always say that, don't you? How true is it? From 1 to 10?
99.9.
From 10. I'm not from 10. I thought you're good at math, yeah? Anyway, he always says it. So, I have to yet to believe that. Nah. Aitutaki people are funny, okay? It was my husband's joke that got me hooked. No! Oh, so, here's your question.
How many kids do you have?
Yeah, how many kids do we have? We have 12. Hey. We got 7 daughters and 5 sons. I know. They say they're, you know, big families, you know. We're islanders, guys. We don't believe in little families. This egg is so good. Okay, I'm going to pull out the next question. Yeah. Which country were you born? Okay. I'm born in Western Samoa, what is called Samoa now. My dad from Paliariri Pautasi, or was it Pautasi Paliariri? And my mom from Lufi Lufi, and Esther now.
I was born in Nico Parajata. And I left Ajitaka when I was 10. Went over to Tonga because my dad had a job transfer. And we stayed there for 3 years. Then I was sent to New Zealand, supposed to be going to school, better education.
Excuse me, the question is where were you born? Nah. Carry on, darling, sorry.
Yeah. And I lived most of my life in New Zealand and here in Australia.
Yeah, what he said. Man, oh, so much mess. Yeah, our eldest is a girl. Yep. And she stays out in Bankstown. We have 2 out in Bankstown. And the rest is out this way. Oh. Excuse me, you got your own cucumber. Oh, yeah. I was born in Samoa, and I left, our parents took us out of Samoa in 1971. Many, many moons ago. Because like all the Polynesians back in the days, they just want to live a good life and bring their kids to go to school and live a good life. This sauce is lovely. Oh, look, Danny, you got a double whammer. Look, there's a prawn inside a mussel. But I won't give you that mussel because that's orange. Orange are my favourite mussels, guys. Because that's the sweet one. Sweet. Sweet like me. No. That pork is actually cooked nicely. See? I had to cook him some pork. Because I thought, this might come, the seafood, and he might eat it all while I'm busy talking. You know me, I can talk. Okay. I just say no. Danny, help yourself with the seafood. There's seafood there. Beautiful. Okay, putting out another question. Oh, who's the favourite parent? Let's be honest now, it's me. Hey, but don't ask my kids that. Yeah. My husband, he's the softer one, you know. He's more lenient, but not me. I believe in, you know, like putting them in order so they know their place. Because if you don't do that, then they think they got a right to walk all over you. That's how the islanders speak. But it's true, man. Daddy, do you think you're the favourite parent? Daddy, whoa, it's corn. Far out. This is a lot of food. That's the one. Read that out. What's your favourite meal? It's a bit slow. Every do. What's your favourite meal, darling? Fish. Seafood.
Fish. Most fish. Every fish.
Yeah. I knew it was fish. Seafood. Mine is hangy and kina. That's 2A. Oh well. I can't pick which one. But kina, oh, yum. When I was pregnant to my daughter, one of my kids, it's all I crave for, kina. And I still crave for it now. And I'm not pregnant, guys. No, I'm a granny or biddy. So good, right? Oh. You know what? I love orange mussels. Love, love, love. I haven't even had a prawn yet. Oh, I forget about the questions. Okay, alright. Who shops more? He does. Don't look at me like that. Hey, why I say you shop more? Don't look at me. No. Why I say he shops more, right? Is because he shops like nearly every day with the little bits and pieces. He shops nearly every day, and I shop once in a while, like every week. But he shops like three times a week, and you know that. That's what I mean. But me, when I go shopping once, it's like I double the amount he gets. You know what? I tell you what. You rarely see an Indian or a Chinese with a trolley full of shopping. You see everyone else, but and who's the ones that always do well in life? It's the Chinese and Indians. So, they're onto something that we don't know. It's more saving, I guess. Man, I'll tell you what, I'll try and save. Now you want some more mussels? That's it. Next question. How many siblings do you have? Okay. I answered the first one last time, Daddy.
Well, I got an older sister and 6 younger brothers. But our last one has passed. He had a motorcycle accident when he was 20, 19,
19.
20, 19.
Where's he buried, Danny?
He's buried in family.
I keep interrupting, sorry.
The family burial grounds in Matavera Rarotonga. That's where he's laid to rest. He's only young, just starting life. It was an accident. The both of them, 2 motorcycle collided. And the other one was a female. And they both passed. Yeah, it was a sad day for the family.
So how many of you all together?
1 sister and 7 brothers.
So there's 8 of them all together.
8 of us.
I done the math. Yeah. Us, there's 7 of us. Okay. I've got an older sister, then my older brother, and then me, the naughty one. I know there's a naughty one after me. Yeah. And then after me is my brother, and then there's another brother, and then my 2 sisters. What is 7? So there's more girls. Oh, is this your tail or mine? Someone's lobster tail. I'll claim it. This sauce is nice. Daddy, you're not even eating your sauce. Really nice. Oh, you can have some cucumber. I was only joking about you getting it. Oh, yep. Pick another question, guys. Who cooks better? Daddy, do you think you cook better?
No.
Okay. I accept. I accept your answer. You can't go back. Yeah.
Oh, you're a good cook. I'll admit that.
Is that why you married me?
I didn't know you can cook till, what, a year down the road?
No. That's because I didn't want you to, you know, to take me for my goods. I wanted you to think I've got nothing to give you. This seafood boil is so lovely. I haven't even, oh, I was just about to lie. I haven't even had a drink and I feel full. I did have a drink. Wow, did you see that fly, that rude fly that just flew past? It went past really fast, didn't it? Like a kamikaze.
That's how good the food is.
No, it's trying to sneak past really quick. Yeah, the food really good. This food is so good. And the mustards cooked nicely. Look how juicy they are. Wait. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow. Look how big this mussel is done. Nice. Oh man. This food is too big, too massive, too much. That's the flavour. This is really nice. It's not overcooked. Nice. Is there something you want here, Daddy? Yeah, what might want? I want far away, babe. Oh, what? Anyway, I've got another question. Oi! There's 10 questions altogether, but one special one. This one it says, where and when did you meet? I know the year we met was 1985. And we met at his friend and my workmate's party. His friend was the husband of my workmate. We met there in 1985. And ever since then, I've been depressed. Ever since then, got my husband. Anyway, we've had our problems, right? But then we still, because this is how I feel. When you're in a relationship, you have to see the goods and the bads along the way. You can't just think it's good, good, good all the way. Okay? No. Anyway, but he's the headache out of us too. Nah. He used to be a headache, but now he's a good boy. Who's the better driver? Hands down, me. Excuse you, I only crashed once. Tell them how many times you crashed.
3.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, let's get that right. Yeah, that's why I say it's me. Even though my kids go, Mom, you drive like a granny. Hello, I've got grandkids. Yeah, we have a lot of grandkids as well. Yeah, our eldest is a girl. Her name is Tamira. And our youngest is, who's our youngest? Mecca. Yeah. Hey, it's from the same daughter. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So, there's one last question. So full. Are you full? I'm full.
Thank you.
But look at this. Half. Still half. Anyway. The last question for the both of us, because we've both lost our dad. He's lost his mum as well, but because we both lost our dad, the question is to you and to me too, if your dad was alive today, what would you say to him?
I love him. And to me, he's the best dad in the world. He's smart, practical man. He's ahead of his time. The things he told me back then happened about 15, 20 years. It's still happening now. So when these things happen, it always reminds me of my father.
Yeah, his name was Kura. Hey, really good man. And he used to live next door to my sister, his dad, because his brother used to live next door. Did I tell you guys the story? When I used to go visit my sister, we would joke about this guy next door. My sister would say, "There's a nice looking guy next door." And I go, "Yeah? Is he married?" She goes, "Yeah." And I think, "Oh, drats, never mind." You know, anyway. So she always says, "Oh, he's a good looking man, blah, blah, blah." But through that, we met his dad, and that was his dad, but I didn't know him at that time. So a year later, that's when I met this one at the party. And then I've come to find that the brother next door to my sister is the one that my sister was perving at. Wink, wink. Nah, we were both perving. Don't lie. Yeah, but you know, we can only look, and that's it, eh, darling? And then I met the older brother, and it's good because, hey, still the same blood, I guess, eh? Ah, what a story to tell. But anyway, I can't help it because my husband comes from good-looking siblings, so that's why we were looking.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you got to pay me $50 after for saying that.
That's cheap.
Who are you trying to call cheap? You better watch it. Anyway. Yeah, so how many years later? This like 30 years we've been together. Over 30 years.
35.
Just a long time. You know, I said to him when I turn 50, he has to be, what did I say to you, Daddy? When you turn 50, I have to find me another man because he's too old. Yeah, because him and I, we're like 10 years apart. But anyway.
9 years.
Okay, Elvis. 10. Because every time you used to turn an age, I turn an age of the same similar age. If you're young, you come on, what? Go here. Anyway, what would I say to my father? That rude fly. Oh, you gotta get it. Faye. Because of this, I should have. Yeah, what would I say to my father if he was alive? I would like to have done more for him, you know. I know when he was alive, I'd done so much because he deserved it. I looked after my dad because of pure love, you know, because that's what he's showing us as kids. Yeah, I enjoyed my dad. You know, when he was alive, guys, he was one of those, he's a caller. So he would always call us, you know, like twice, 3 times a week. Hello, what are you doing? And he'll want to know what each kid is doing. What did we eat and everything. He was a caller. So when he passed away, the phone calls stopped. And our mum, she's not a caller, and neither am I. So you can give me your phone number, but you won't really be getting a call from me. I don't know. There's some habits of my mum that I've inherited, and it's not good. But I have a sister. Oh, she loves to call. No, 2 of them actually. Anyway, yeah. So, did I say how many siblings I've got? Okay. Yeah. Anyway, guys. So, even though I said when my husband turns 50, I've got to exchange him for a new partner, well, we're still stuck together, guys. You know, like we're still together. And the way I see it, if you marry, that's it. Unless you're really abusive, then you have to make other... Get off, fly! Anyway, guys, we're so full. We had heaps, and every time I had to go and do something, he's still eating. So I've got to edit that up. But look at my nice top. It's got butter, Blove sauce on it. Hey, at least I know Blove's with me. Anyway, this food is so lovely. Thank you so much, Sea Fusion. I hope a lot of people will give you a buzz to get this lovely food. Because, man, that's so yum, bubblegum. You know, Daddy? You want to say something before we go?
It's good. We have audience. If you place.
Oh, yeah, Daddy, what do you think of the coronavirus?
Bad.
Yeah. See, he doesn't have much to say, but I tell you what, when the camera's off, I cannot shut him up. Hey, Daddy. It's a little bit bello. Oh, a little bit bello. We're living over here, talkie. Okay, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us. Sorry about this guy trying to be all quiet, and I think I've got to bring him more onto my videos just to loosen him up because when he starts talking, oh, you guys think I talk a lot? Nah, I do talk a fraction more than he does. But this food is the bomb diggity, and my cooking was the bomb diggity too. And I'm bomb diggity, praise the good Lord, and so is my darling. I know this is our first mukbang together, eh? Oh no, this is our second one because we had one in Cook Island. But that wasn't really a mukbang. This is, the other one was like you guys saw our sides. But this one, you can see, this is one fly, look at it. A beautiful, beautiful food. Praise the good Lord. Because if it wasn't for God, we got nothing to eat. We don't even exist, okay? So always send thanks every day, guys. Even if you forget, but in the middle of the night, get up and do your prayer. He's worth it because without him, Okay, take care. And keep safe out there with this coronavirus. When it's gonna go, I do not know. If I knew, I'm gonna tell everyone on Facebook. Yeah, okay guys. It's a tofa for me, okay? Tofa from this Samoan.
And ka kite for me.
From this Cook Island from Maitataki. Pasoi fua.